Let's do it, young blood.
The bomber actually dropped bombs.
Very nice, man.
Ooh, that was a Cobra. Let's go. Let's go. Oops. Off-roading, huh? There's Burning Man cutting in front. PJ burn. Whoa! You hear the jet? The jet flew over earlier. It's doing its reverse thrust now.
Hi.
Yeah. This should be interesting.
Taking off.
What the?
Look at my wheel.
That's what they say happens.
Did you get your silver stuck as well? No, the wheels. The wheel. You know the bend in the
The
wheel?
pivot.
Oh. He is an AMA member. Fine. That's bottom there with it.
What was that?
I pulled up.
Okay.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
You gotta say when you do that.
Sorry about that. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it again. Your brake lights.
Pump your brakes!
Yo, motherfucker.
We're good. We're good. I was off to the side because I knew you might do something crazy.
Yeah, you're like, I know this.
I know what Frank's
You're
gonna
doing
do.
too well. All right, I want to come down and try and do like a high outside.
Okay, well let me stay closest to us so you can.
Of course you took it.
Oh, you already took off. Take it off, landing. Take it off, landing.
What do you want to do?
Whatever.
I don't like that, the way they have that wheel like it's
Me neither. That little funky thing they put in there.
It's annoying because now the wheel can do all this random
Right.
stuff.
Okay, let me kind of get next to you,
Okay.
and then we can stick together. I'll stick with you. Now Burning Man's doing his own shit as always. He's trying. Why is he flying so fast?
At least your server didn't got stuck.
Okay, so I'll stay closest to us as always.
Nice.
30 seconds.
There's more to flying a jet than full throttle.
There it is. Oh, that's why my high alpha isn't working. You could fly.
Yeah. You're cutting over a little, Frank. What the hell?
10, 9, 8, 7,
What's the bunny
6,
now?
I did. He's not looking for us, but I'm looking
He's
for him.
not looking out for us. He's definitely
1.
not. Just
Time
flying.
expired.
He's just flying his thing.
He's just flying.
He's just flying.
And we'll still be up and he'll be down.
He'll be down. Alright, I'm gonna stay in my
I'm gonna, yeah.
How do you fly?
field.
How do you get?
I'm trying to get closer to you, but you keep. I'm trying to get closer. There we go.
There we go. Let's get your plane together. We gotta go high.
Pull up a little bit. This Burning Man's right there. There we go.
79 degrees.
He's gonna have to land any minute now. Okay, go ahead. Don't get weirded out, but if you do high alpha, I'm gonna try to loop around, do a roll around you.
I passed. It's fine.
Okay.
I want to do it like show center.
Okay.
I guess I gotta set.
Got to set up in the turn.
Yeah.
1 minute over. 8 volt. Temperature 79 degrees Fahrenheit.
Mine looks like it's going so much faster than yours, but we're doing the same speed.
got too slow there.
I noticed
There
that.
was a crosswind.
I did a loop and then did a snap roll and came back to you.
Shoot, this is weird. The sun position.
Yeah.
I can't see. I gotta keep an eye on my plane. I almost lost it.
Yeah, it's easier to lose orientation. Whoa. What was that? Go. Oh, we just hit a thermal.
Yeah.
It just made my plane do weird stuff.
Over.
Why are you going so wide?
Watch out behind you.
What's behind me? Oh.
Don't panic.
Holy cow, yeah, with the sun. Nine. All together nine.
22.2
Oh, very nice. I'm gonna turn sooner. This is kind of cool.
It is.
Like,
Laid back.
laid back.
Now don't cut me off here though. Keep cutting me off. There. That's better.
Oh, that was cool.
That 22 looks really good.
Okay, I gotta land.
Thank you. Did you get one?
Have I gotten one?
Yeah.
No, I haven't.
Landing from the left.
Should I get one?
Landing flat.
Yeah.
90
You
degrees.
should.
So nice that the wind's in the right direction today. Whoa!
22.3.
Dude, that's awesome. What pack? The 6000 or 6500?
Same one.
Oh, the 50C?
Yeah. That's 1600 is flying now. Let's see.
Oh, okay. That thing flies amazing. Why do you need to blast around full throttle though, you know? It's better to
Full throttle.
it's better to just putt around.
I'm gonna land.
Okay.
Landing flat.
Landing!
Why does it take so long for the gear to come down?
22.1 volts. Temperature 93 degrees Fahrenheit.
Battery's happy. Nice.
That plane is awesome. What's the time on the radio showing now?
Come on back, come back, come back, Frank, come back. He's landing.
Oh, shit, I gotta get up. Let me get up and then I'll show you. It was 446.
Oh, alright.
Over what I usually fly.
These batteries pretty.
You're clear, come on in.
Here. So it's 446.
Yeah.
Taxiing out.
Busy jet day.
And that's throttle high. Yeah. So 440 plus 330.